Now you very happily received me. You all seem to be very happy to see me, and I'm very happy to see all of you also. I can guess that you are happy all the time, not just because I'm coming. This Krishna consciousness process is the process of being happy. One can experience the happiness of Krishna consciousness when he's no longer endeavoring for the so-called happiness of this material world. Someone who has no material desires, they can be happy. Also, those who cannot be happy are those who are trying to be free of all desires. Bhukti mukti spriha yavat pishachi hridi vartate. Tavat bhakti sukhasyatra katamabhyudayo bhavet. As long as the witches of desire for material enjoyment or the witch of the desire to be free from material enjoyment, the witch of moksha, the desire, that desire, as long as one is infected by these witches, there is no question of the spiritual happiness of bhakti, of love of Krishna. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu have given this simple and sublime process of being happy by chanting the holy names of Krishna. Parama Karuna Pahundu Jana Nitai Gaura Chandra Sada Avatar Sara Shiromani Kevala Anandakanda. This topmost avatars, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu, they are personally present here. They are Sankirtanaika Pitaro. They are the only fathers of the Sankirtan movement. And they have given this joyful process. So, as long as we are giving ourselves in this process and not trying to take out what we can get in a materialistic way, then we'll always be happy. We have to fully give ourselves to Krishna. Then we get everything, because Krishna is everything and he gives himself to the devotee. But even in the very neophyte stage, when we get the taste of serving Krishna, then we don't want anything else. So we may or may not be very advanced. We may not be very great scholars or very great tapasvis performing austerities. But if we go on with faith in this process of chanting the holy names of Krishna and fully giving ourselves to Krishna, then even from the very beginning we can appreciate how Krishna is giving himself to us. Srila Prabhupada's simple slogan, chant Hare Krishna and be happy. But that being happy means when we have given up, we have no interest in any of the so-called happiness of this world. Our only interest is in serving Krishna. So you're greeting me very happily. I can understand that you're cultivating this Krishna consciousness in the pure mood of simply serving Krishna. So this is the highest stage of spiritual consciousness. Hare Krishna. I won't speak more now. Krishna willing, I'll speak some more to all of you tomorrow morning. Hare Krishna.